In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to JBL speaker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of using a microphone in conjunction with any JBL speaker that you have. So in this image, as an example, I have the JBL Encore. The reason why I'm showing the Encore first is because this particular set already includes microphones that you can use. If that's the case for your particular JBL speaker, then all that you have to do is power it on, and usually the microphones that are included will automatically pair up with that specific JBL speaker model because, like I said, they are designed to work only with the JBL speaker. So you don't need any additional setup, just power on your particular JBL speaker, and then if they have a microphone included, power on the mic and they should automatically pair up. Alternatively, you might have to use a dongle like this one, so you plug the dongle into the microphone port. So usually it is going to be labeled like this. You press the button on the dongle and this will prompt the dongle to pair up with the microphone. Once again, there's going to be a button on the mic. Now, in some other cases where your particular JBL speaker does not include a microphone, you might have to purchase one of these adapters/receivers. These receivers will connect to microphones that are already included when you purchase them. So this is an example: wireless microphone, rechargeable fixed frequency wireless dual mic. So you can find these on places like Amazon. They come from a variety of brands. This one that I'm using as an example is $20.99, but JBL does offer official wireless 2 microphone systems, but they can be significantly more expensive. So this one is 5 times the price of the one that I displayed earlier. It's up to you which one you want to purchase. But the basic idea is that you plug the receiver into the JBL speaker that you have. So the speaker is here. You find the aux input. You plug the receiver like this so you can see the cable going in. And once the receiver has been plugged, the microphone, as soon as you power it on, is going to be connected automatically to it, which allows you to use the microphones with the JBL speaker. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.